Okay, ladies, in this video, I'll answer a few questions. How do you go from the ABC to the DE and how do you go back? And creating the PQ form and then going to the ABC form. And if you can do this, you can automatically do this, go back here. I'm going to do this based on 2 exercises so you can make them look at final answers because yeah, it's good to make them yourselves, of course. So I want to take exercise 33. I'm not going to answer the first 2 questions because how far from Alex will the ball land? If it lands, you look for x-intercepts. What height will the ball reach? It's the vertex. And then we go to question C immediately. So 33C. If you want, you can make AB yourself and then you jump in with me with exercise C. I'm sorry about this. So we have this formula, h minus 0.0125x, x minus 48. Now, if you pay attention to the DE form, I'm going to write DE form over here. The DE form is A, x minus D, and x minus E. You notice that this is not really the DE form. Not like this. Pay attention that the A is a number. So that's the minus 0.0125. And then you suddenly see an X here. You might think, what is this? Well, this X comes from the fact that this formula is already a bit simplified. So we have X minus E, which is X minus 48. I'll write it here in the back. And in between here is X minus 0. Apparently, there's one x-intercept. And that could be, that could just be that it has one x-intercept. I'm sorry, it has 2 x-intercept, x is 0. It has an x is 0, and then it has an intercept at x is 48 because it's about somebody kicking a ball. So I think it's like this. So that's why it has x-intercept 0 and x-intercept 48. But about the notation, x minus 0 will become x. So that's why you get minus 0.0125 times x times the x minus 48. It's still the DE form. So recognize here that an x-intercept is 0. That's why it's written like this. This is still the DE form. Now, let's rewrite it into, what are they asking? The ABC form. So what we do here, we're going to expand brackets. So you can multiply what's in front of the bracket with everything on the inside. So we get, use the calculator, we get h is minus 0.0125x squared, and then negative times negative minus 0.0125 times negative 48 is going to be positive 0.6x. Now, you might feel tempted to make this a 1, but don't do that. You are changing the formula. Only if you solve, you are changing the A to make it 1, of course. But we are not doing that. This is it, guys. We got to state the A minus 0.0125. We state the B, 0.6. We state the C, it's 0. And it makes sense. The y-intercept is indeed at 0, 0. Yeah? Now, let's go from the... This is from DE to ABC. This exercise 30 from DE to ABC.